Hola amigos de YouTube, les doy la bienvenida a un nuevo video, esta vez de un juego llamado Sleeping Dogs. Ya he estado jugando, terminé el juego, así que sé qué hacer y qué va a pasar. Pero una nueva partida.
I'm a fucking fly. Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember? Do you ever get your Right. You my friend? Yeah. Got the money? Now? 揾人截住佢啊
Déjenme le cambio algo.
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want. I do. What? My shit's not good enough for you? 喂，兩個做咩事啊？咩啊？邊個喺過嚟？停手！哎呦 ！Come, my friend. You crazy? Maybe we can sort something out, huh? 你兇我啊！你知唔知我喺邊度啊
？Sin media oreja. Ahora básicamente lo que estamos haciendo es escapar. Mantén pulsado A para sprintar. Lo sé, compañero Nash. Oh, mira, conchitas de mar. Palabrotas, palabrotas. Había pollitos de guerra ahí. Bueno, de guerra no, sino de... Dice que nos está leyendo los derechos y que estaremos arrestados.
Prosperity, man. Shit. Jackie, Mom. It is you. Can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? What? Wait. Man, you look like shit. Fuck you. You know, report your ass from the United States? It was mutual. Tell him I came home anyway. Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on? Nothing that'll stick. Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you from old prosperity, that's all.
Dejen cambiar algo. Preferencias. Notificaciones. No.
Time. Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there? Few, you know. Kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Bradpole in this...
Espérenme otra vez tantito. Es que si se me cae la conexión... Aparece desconectado. Ahí está.
Son on ye. Got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact. Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on ye. Shit, y'all guys always said he'd be running that neighborhood. Oh, Dog Eyes is a Red Pole too. Still a total punk guy. The one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister? Yeah, it was a long time ago. Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. You'll fucking love it. Man, Wade fucking Shen in the flesh. Can't believe it. Took him off. Looks like I'm out of here. Hey, Jackie. So look, you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him? Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just be like old times.
Seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen.
Eso es ilegal, eso no se puede hacer.
I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
Might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust him.
I've done this.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the Triad tier. The Sun On Yi is the most powerful
Look,
gang.
Raven. Your name's Raven, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragon.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Gracias.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the Triads for what happened to his family. He could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Ahora cállese. Yo este juego lo conocí por un youtuber, que no voy a decir su nombre, por copyright, ok, no, por respeto hacia esa persona. Dios mío, me callo.
It's gonna be great. Thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro. No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America? I think they're getting it next year. Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here.
Este juego lo conocí en...
So Winston's a red pole now? All this territory is Winston.
The dog eye's pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eye's always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
Para quien no sepa hablar medio español, pero de España, capullo o gilipollas significa estúpido, por no decir algo un poco más fuerte, o mucho más fuerte. Este juego tiene unos gráficos
Hey, Jume, how are
hermosos.
you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你 Leave me alone!
好得就地，打就企地。
I'm gonna call the cops!
你同我行肯啦，呢個幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊 ？Hey, don't talk to me like that.
Stop it!
You know, I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'll fuck you up.
¡Hora de pelear! También me sé algunos combos. Cuadrado, cuadrado. Ah, no, es cuadrado, ta. Ahora un combo. Una patada voladora que yo sé hacer. Y es bastante bueno. Se cayó solo. Ahora haré otro combo.
Kidding me?
死硬啊！
Yeah, all right.
Let's go. Y bueno, la serie que tenía esa persona española, pues era bastante buena. La verdad. Él tiene capturadora de, creo que del Gato Gaming. Toma. Toma.
Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
死梗啦！
Toma.
Damn, Wayne. What did they do to you in America, man?
Pobre Jackie. Ya me había encariñado de él.
I look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool?
Well, you're welcome anyway. Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Este juego es bastante grosero.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Dejaré hasta aquí el video porque ya casi me voy a pasar de 15 minutos. Así que... Bueno, grabaré otra vez Sleeping Dogs, así que espero que les guste.